Welcome to West Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी मानता तुमी सगळीं बरीं आसतलीं आनी आयज हांवें तुमकां रेसिपी हाडल्या ती आमची गोंयची तांबडी भाजी, आमचो गोंयचो दुदी, तांबडो दुदी आनी हें जावन आसा without oil and without kano. Okay, so today's recipe what I am going to show you all is red spinach or red leaf vegetable, which is available in UK too or Europe too, in any Indian supermarket. So I have taken this one bunch. Okay, please write the ingredients. So mashe boron gyat. So this is like one bunch of red spinach leaf. You get it in bunch. Then this is around 1/4 piece of red pumpkin. Now this I have already cooked it in a water. I have taken 1 cup of water and I cooked this for 5 minutes. It's cooked. It's hot and cooked. So I am going to use the skin also. I have cooked this also. Wash it nicely properly before chopping it, and then I am going to use the skin too. And it is all, both are cooked, so we can consume it. So after getting boiled, this is 5 minutes only. Then we need around 4 tablespoons of coconut, fresh coconut, 2 Kashmiri chilies, 4 tablespoons of tomato puree. Okay, just boil some tomatoes, cool it down. So I have taken around 2 big tomatoes, and then you grind it to a fine paste. So this is like tomato puree at home. Then what I am going to use is turmeric powder, chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder, and this is cumin powder. Let's start. So in a pan we'll add our tomato puree. Gas on low flame, and in that we will add now 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder which is spicy, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of cumin powder, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. So only 4 spices, salt to taste, and I will mix this all nicely. So we'll fry our masala which we added for 5 minutes till the raw smell goes out of this. No garlic also in this recipe. No onion and no oil and no garlic. If some people want to add oil, you are most free to add oil. So after 5 minutes we will add, first thing is a cooked pumpkin. पहिले आमी दुदी घालून घेवया आनी हांकां सगळ्यांक आमी बरे भशेन मिक्स करूया. इजी रेसिपी, क्विक रेसिपी एक्चुअली, आनी सुबेस मसाले नाका. And now we will add to this one chili we will keep for garnishing. 1 chili we will add now, and we will add our 2 tablespoons fresh coconut, and 3 will do, and 1 we will keep for garnishing. So now we'll cover this and we'll cook this. Don't mix, just cover this and cook this. So I've covered it just for 5 minutes and then we'll mix this. 5 minutes, let's mix this. Low flame. Check the salt and add accordingly. Another 5 minutes and our vegetable is done. So I'll check the salt. It's so tasty. Try this recipe. The coconutty flavor. Just add some salt. This is very good for people who come home from like doctors have advised them less spice, or they can't eat oil, and for those people with less salt also, but you can add salt according to your taste. And some people are allergic to onions, so with few spices. ही एक्चुअली एकदम बोरी जावन आसा भाजी जी जेंकां अमक्यो अमक्यो वस्तू खावपाक ना म्हणटा आमच्यान पूण करूं येता आमचे रांदप टेस्टी. ओके, तो तेलूच जाय म्हणून ना, बट कोणाक तेल घालूंक जाय तेंच्यांनी खोबरें तेल घालूं येता. दोज हू वॉन्ट्स टू एड ऑयल, you can garnish it last with coconut oil if you want. So I'll keep this for few more minutes and it's done. And our vegetable is ready and it's done. Hope you all will enjoy this. Thank you so much. Dev Bare Karo. Now let's serve this in a bowl. Enjoy with dal, rice, roti, sabji. It goes very well, roti, and this is sabji. And we'll garnish this with a fresh coconut. When you're serving it, then serve it with. So when they see the dish, they will say, oh wow. Present it in such a way. And who wants to eat chili, they can always keep your chili like this and serve it and eat chili if you want more spicy. So thank you. Hope you all will enjoy this. Dev Bare Karo.